the earbud in the lemon juice and I'm gonna write something on the paper. You know what? I'm writing my name. Once you're done writing, you have to leave the paper aside for some time so the paper can dry.
Since the paper has dried,
now it's time to light the candle to see the magic happen. For this part, kids have to take help from their elders. You have to move the paper on top of the candle. Look friends, the magic is working. Come.
as you can see, the name has started to appear.
This is my name.
If you like our video, like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.